This would be a boutique hotel, a unique hotel, which is now getting hip, getting more to youngsters, where they can get a lot of nice photos and Instagrammable places for them actually. In total, we have 7 different categories of room. In terms of design, it's pretty much not the same as each other. The wallpaper are different, the size are different as well.
The previous hotel was the Madras Hotel, and the building, the name already had a lot of character and heritage to it. We thought that taking the name away might not do it justice. Madras historically is the old capital of southern India. Right now it's known as Chennai. So I think most of the Indians who came from southern India to Singapore are from Madras and the respective villages around it. We actually found out that this was actually, I think, flats, SIT flats, as you call it. So basically, they were apartments or houses right here.
I've lived here till I was married. I was married at the age of 27, and thereafter I stayed for a little while because I was overseas, and finally sort of checked out in '96, thereabouts. From the 50s, I think the market started. They had market overflowing from the main market with the Kanangkerbau market, and the stalls were allowed to pitch on the roads, you know, from Madras Street, Camber Lane, Dalhousie Lane, and Clive Street, I think. And from the balcony of the unit that we occupied, we could see, you know, people going in and out, marketing. It was fun, I know, just watching them go by.
From the exterior, I think the most important points or the most important parts which were restored were the exposed bricks and the windows. People can easily identify that, hey, it's from this era, or this looks like an SIT flat kind of concept. I think in terms of the interior, things or the materials or the colors that we use which reflects that period would be, yeah, of course, the pastel colors that is actually visible throughout the hotel. Tiles in the lobby, which also reflects, you know, from that era. I think rattan furniture, the chairs. We have chairs from the Capitol Theatre that we restored and we've installed in the lobby. So it's bits and pieces coming in together to form a big picture.
So actually, I think it was just the aesthetics of the whole place in general. So like every corner you can like possibly take an Instagram picture. So it has a very tropical vibe, and then it contrasts with the other like more heritage buildings around.
For the younger generation, it's about having a place to take photos. It's for the gram. So there's so many different touch points within the property they can pan, take photos and share it. Whereas for a bit of the older generation, it's a slice of history for them, slice of, or a trigger point for their memories. It will relate to a time period when they were young.
If the building was brought down, I would be very sad because there's so much history, so much memories. Some are nostalgic, I mean, pleasant memories, sad memories, you know, they all live it. You know? But of course, when I pass on, then that spirit, that emotional feeling won't be there anymore.
I think it's important to appeal to the young generation. So it's a kind of an anchor. Part of it is a Singapore story. You know, people came from all over the world to make Singapore what it is. And stories like this actually are reflected through buildings. The young of today are the future of tomorrow. So if we don't corral enough interest from them, we have failed. So whatever excites the youngsters is what we needed to do, where they feel it's new and hip enough, but still the old part of it connects back to make the story.